Famous places in Thailand. This is our work for today. And today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple comic with the name of the country, with the famous places in that country, and also the name and the description of the places that you can see in that country. So this is the Division 101, and let's get started. To start with our Comic Life 3 today. So the link, if you have no Comic Life in your computer, the link is in the description button. So just click the link and you can download the trial version for this. But if you like to use this in your personal work, you can buy the Comic Life and you can install it in your computer. So to start, I will open the Comic Life. So you double click, and because I am using the trial version only, just click not yet, register. So this is now our Comic Life. Now remember, our work today is to make places in the country, and you will show it in a comic with a description. So to start with, I will be choosing the stickies, this one, with 3 panels on it, and we have the description also. So you just double click your mouse, and then it will open like this. So I will zoom out so that you can see the whole picture of the template with the panel. So you have 3 panel, and also you have 3 description. What we are going to do this time is to create or choose one country, and then we will add the famous places in that country, and also we will add the description. So let's begin. So I am thinking, because I am in Thailand at this moment, so I am thinking that I will be showing some beautiful places or famous places here in Thailand. So to start, here you have your title. You can just edit this one. This one is your description. Also you can edit and you can add picture on it. So to begin with, double click for the title, and then you will write the name of the country. For example, Thailand. Okay. When you click, so you have now your title, country Thailand. So after that, we will be going to our Google Chrome or our internet provider. If you are using MacBook, you can go to Safari, or you can go to Internet Explorer. But for me, I am using Google Chrome. So Thailand, or places in Thailand. So I will write places in Thailand. So if you want to use other country, for example, Japan, America, Russia, China, Korea, you can also do it. So here, you have the popular destination in Thailand. Down here, you can see where is the nice places in Thailand. So when you click that one, you can see 14 top rated places to visit in Thailand. Just click that one. When you click, the description, the name, and also the picture is there already. So what we are going to do is to right-click the picture. For example, the first place that I will going to feature is this marble temple in Bangkok. So right-click, copy image, then go back to your Comic Life, and then click first the panel, right-click, and paste. And you can see the picture from the internet is already pasted here in your Comic Life or in your comic. So you have now your picture. The next thing is our description. Now, if you can see, the description is at the back of our picture. So just click this one, description, and click front here. Front, bring to front, and it, okay. So it's in the front now. Also, this one, the button, click and bring it to front. So you have the button in front. So after that, you go back to your internet or your Explorer or your Google Chrome, and you just copy the name of the place plus the first sentence, the description of that place. Right click, copy, or Control C, go to your comic light, and then double click, and then highlight, and then Control B, or right click, paste, okay, or Control V, or paste. So you can see the marble temple is already pasted, the description. Just highlight the name of the place and then make it bold to emphasize the name of the place. If you want to make it bigger, you just adjust the size, 13, and after you click, you have your description. You can see now, I will zoom in so that you can see it. So I have here the picture, and also I have here the description of that place. So this is Marble Temple in Bangkok, and we have also the description on it. So next, we will move on to the next picture here. So go back to our Explorer, and then roll down your mouse. You can see Chiang Mai. So I will just right click, copy image, go back to your Comic Live, click the panel, right click, and then paste. You can see what you're going to do, the same, the button, bring to front. You can see right click, bring to front, or you just click front here, front, and also the description, bring it to front. So your description is here now in front. So go back to our internet or our Google Chrome. So this is Doi Intanon National Park. Just copy the name and the first sentence in our description. Just right copy, and then go back to your Comic Live, and then double click, highlight, and then Control V in your keyboard or paste. And after that, the name of the place, highlight, make it bold, and make it 13, or adjust the size a little bit compared to your description. When you click, you have now your description, complete description of this picture, and this is Doi Intanon National Park. Now, let's go to the next and the third picture. Now, I will be choosing Phuket. This one is a famous place in Thailand. Right click, copy image, go back to my Comic Live, right click the panel, right click, paste. And you have now your picture of Phuket. And this one, the button, right click, bring to front. And also here, the description, right click, bring to front. So go back to your description. This is a James Bond Island near Phuket. First sentence, here, right click, copy or Control C. Go back to your description, highlight the text, and then Control V or paste in your comic. Okay, so highlight, make it bold, and adjust the size to 13, little bit bigger. When you click, so you have now completed the 3 pictures of Thailand, famous places in Thailand. Number 1 is the Marble Temple. Number 2 is Doi Intanon National Park. This is the picture. This is in Chiang Mai. And the last one is James Bond Island near Phuket. So I have now the picture. So if you can see your picture now, you will fit in. So this is what it looks like when you have your comics. Okay, so 3 pictures with 3 description with the title up here. Now, if you want to write your name beside, you just click the lettering, click, put it here, drag, and then after that you can have your name. For example, Debbie. Okay, 3-8. Okay, and then click. So you have your name. It's bigger. So you can change the size if you want like this. Click, and then make it smaller from your title. You can drag it to make it smaller. Okay, and that's it. So I will put the title here, and you can rotate a little bit. That's your name here. Okay, so you complete now your activity. 3 pictures, 3 description, one country. So after you've done your work, this time is you're going to save your file. So there are I will teach you two ways how to save your file. The first one is you will save your Comic Live file, and the other one is you save only this image. So the first one is when you click this file, all you have to do is to click save, and then I will save this one in my desktop, and then just write Thailand, and then click save. So after you save that one, when you minimize your Comic Live Thailand is here in your desktop. Another thing is the second way to save this file. If you want only this picture, all you need to do is to go file and then export. Now export image. Okay, so when you click export image, meaning to say you are saving only the picture image, so click next, and then after that you click save. So after you click save, when you minimize your work, your picture is here now in your desktop also. So you can see we have two files saved. One is in Comic Live. Okay, you can edit this one, you can change this one, the description, anything here, this file. But this one is an image, so this is your image. You cannot change that one anymore, but you can print also this one, okay, as a picture. So hope you learned something for this tutorial, and you can apply this one not only the famous places in the country but also your personal pictures. If you hang out or you travel somewhere else, you can do like this in your pictures. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone, and see you again for our next tutorial. This is David June 101. Thank you and God bless.